Okay, we're going to put that washer face on there now. I'm going to turn the speed up to 490. Let me move this indicator stand. Okay, so I'm going to zero my travel, and we will try see what 20,000 does. Let's do 30. Go in a little deeper. I think the thickness is okay. I might go another 10 thousandths. I'll go ahead and move it to 40 thousandths. Okay, let's go ahead and put a chamfer on that. A little bit more. And I think a bit more. Yeah, I like that. I think he'll like that as well. So let's bring a parting tool around. And we're going to measure that. Can zero my Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and zero my my DRO, and we're gonna feed this in just about an inch. I'm gonna stop at 800 thousandths. It's a pretty fat nut. I guess he said just under an inch, so let's go with that. I'm gonna try my auto feed here. I'm gonna feed it by hand till I get past the interruption. If I'm gonna do the auto feed, I need to change my gear selection. So to get my cross slide to go that direction, I need to put it in reverse. I'm going to slow it down also. Let's try 314. What am I doing here? V1. Okay, look in to see what's going on here. Well, I'm not sure what all that was about, but it's fine now. Like I said, I'm going to I deactivated my crossfeed there when I was investigating that problem. As soon as I get past the interruption, I'll into the power feed. This seems a little fast. You know, 190. I'm experiencing that problem again. Okay, the crossfeed's not going to work with the lathe and screw, so I got to change it to feed. I'm going to go ahead and start it back up in neutral. Okay, now I should be able to do the power crossfeed. Here we go. know what you're looking at. Okay. I'm going to pull that tool off. Bring my chamfering tool back. See if I can reach in there from here. No clearance there. Barely. A little bit more. If that's what I want. Okay, let's get you back here. And bring the parting blade back. And excuse me. I'm gonna try that power feed again. It's not very strong. But apparently it was strong enough. Let's go ahead and take this off here and take it over to the table and take a look at it. Well, let's not do that yet. Okay, I brought the RPMs back to 490. I'll get you where I can do this and you can still see it. Okay, I'm going to do about 10 thousandths. I want to get rid of that little lip there. So there's another 10. Right there. Do another 5. Try the feed this time. don't have it engaged in neutral. Okay, I'm going to bring in this chamfering tool and touch more on that tool. Yeah, that's clean all the way around. Let's run that out of there. Let's see what the other side looks like. The other side looks fine. I really don't like that, but let's take it over and look at it. Okay, we're on now. Hey, leave it. Leave it. Sorry about that. So here we are. I can't tell you I didn't polish it up a little bit. And I did. There's that built-in washer. I think that's one of my best fits. And this is definitely a good fit. It's 1'8". Now I think I did this to 888 thousandths. This is where I left it at on my ID. And it actually calls for a 846. So, yeah, happy with that. Okay, well that was definitely no great feat of machining, but you know, I'm not a machinist. I'm just kind of a rookie, just kind of imitating stuff I see on YouTube. Got a new subscriber, and it's Matisse, M-A-T-I-A-S, Romeo Matisse. Thanks, Romeo. I hope I can keep you around, and thank you to the other new subscribers. I'm not able to name at the moment because it's been a while since I've had any new subscribers, frankly. Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop is on kind of a campaign, and I need to learn what the details are. You're supposed to hashtag your channel or your videos and just bring more attention to yourself. I don't know how to do that, so I'll have to look back on that show and figure out what they're doing. But I think if everybody with an established channel would just pick somebody once a week or every other upload and just say, hey, you know, check this guy, you know, just give him some love. Going to have some interesting content coming up really soon. I'm going to take the lathe apart again. This time it'll be much more relaxed. I won't be so stressed. I won't be in such a rush. I'm confident. You got something in your eye. Hold on. Yeah, I know a little bit more, and I know some of the pitfalls. Hush, hush, hush. I can avoid some of the pitfalls that fell upon me the first time through. And we need to turn the DRO off. Okay. In case you've never seen that, that's a little dealy there. And then I got the scale set up back here. Don't use it quite as often as I thought I would, but when you need it, it's fantastic. Let's get that out of there. I'm going to start with all these drive rods and the apron. Well, no, actually, we're going to start okay, that's the apron. This is this thing, the carriage. We'll start with the compound cross slide carriage tailstock, and then we'll remove the apron along with all these rods. We'll remove the gearbox, and then after that we will remove the headstock. And what I need to do is get into the bottom of the headstock and just do a little tidying up. And I'm gonna have to pull the clutch off also, because I'm getting I'm getting leakage here at this. There's two machine surfaces that hold this to the machine, and it's leaking a little bit. I haven't had to replace any oil, but I think if I took that off, clean those surfaces up, and just treat it with shellac, I believe. Let's look at the back of this again and see how we have these tool holders attached here. Okay. Alrighty. This won't be such a mystery next time. I was really stressing about that, and that actually held me up for a long time, but it just slips. It just slips right on. This was the biggest problem I have, is getting all these pins lined up for the clutch engagement. Down here, and it's just getting. You can't really see it from here, but this whole setup down in here. Oh, saving my brass. So, yeah, there'll be. I have one or two things I want to do before I dismantle the lathe. One or two things that are requested of me. And the thing is once I start taking that thing apart, the only lathe I have is this lathe right here. So it'll be a really good excuse to get that lathe tuned up and tight, get the rigidity back. Because when it's tuned up and rigid, I can get some. Well, I'm good at this because I learned on this. This is, and I can get some tolerances with that machine. Yeah, well, okay, so that's it. Look forward to seeing this thing dismantled, and I'm going to watch some other videos of people doing the same and see if I can pick up any tips on how to videotape it, how to document it, and it's not going to be, it's not really the same as showing, machining it apart. It's usually a long continuous video. I'll have to probably get at least one spare battery to have charging in the background, so I don't have to stop work waiting for a battery. Hey, like and subscribe, tell a buddy, bring a friend. We'll see you next time, guys.